name is Hamish and I'm an LSB qualified barber. So I took a MVQ level 2 and level 3 course at a city college in Norwich. I thought at the beginning it was pretty decent, but then I realised that I wasn't actually being helped. It was basically teach yourself how to cut hair, just wing it. At LSB, there's always somebody watching your moves, watching what you do, making sure you get it right, and if you do something wrong, they'll tell you, whereas at college, it was just sort of, if that's wrong, then that's your problem, it's your client. College education would not have given me what I needed to be working in a real barbershop. The course at college was 2 years long. Compared to LSB, I spent 12 weeks here. At college, I was doing about 2 haircuts a week, if I was lucky. At LSB, I was doing up to 30 haircuts a week. Even in my first week at LSB, I learned so much more than even a whole year at college. At college, we were taught by hairdressers rather than barbers, and that's different to here because at LSB, they're confident in both. Whereas at college, it was mainly hairdressers that dabbled in barbering. At college, theory was something we did half the time. So we'd have 2 days of practical, 2 days of theory, and that would mean that when it came to our practical exams, I wouldn't know what to do or I'd struggle because we'd be doing theory and the theory was completely unengaging. At college, the learning resources we had were mainly pictures on the wall, diagrams, stuff like that. The LSB resources were basically textbooks with really easy to understand pictures, words, the whole lot, and a lot of the learning here was visual, which really helped me because that's how I consider myself when I'm learning, as a visual learner. I felt extremely job ready. I went straight into a job after I finished and I was beyond confident. I didn't struggle at all. I felt comfortable knowing that what I've been taught covers all the grounds for cutting hair in a real barbershop. Even before I finished my course, I was getting messages and job offers from different barbershops wanting me to work for them. I literally walked straight out of LSB and straight into a job. Even if my college had been better, I don't think I would have ever got the experience to work in a real barbershop in London. Anyone that's thinking choosing between LSB and further education like college, I'd recommend highly to go with LSB because it's your future you're investing in and you won't regret it. I recommend people to come to LSB because it will be one of the best decisions you make in your life if you love barbering. And I speak for myself, it's one of the greatest things I've ever done and I'm never going to forget coming here.